Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your PayPal wallet in store. First, ensure your PayPal app is updated and you have a linked payment method. Many stores accept PayPal through QR codes or tap-to-pay options. We'll walk through setting up these features so you can make quick, secure payments. It's a convenient way to manage your spending directly from your phone, often without needing your physical cards. Let's get started with the basics. To begin, open your PayPal app and navigate to the Wallet section. Here, you can link your preferred bank account or credit card, ensuring funds are available for your purchases. Next, enable location services within the app settings. This helps identify participating stores near you. Finally, set up a secure PIN or biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face ID for swift and safe transactions. This preparation makes your in-store experience seamless and secure. When you're ready to pay, simply look for the PayPal logo or a QR code at the checkout counter. Open your PayPal app and select the Scan/Pay option. If a QR code is present, scan it with your phone's camera. For Tap to Pay, hold your device near the payment terminal. Review the transaction details, including the amount, and then confirm your purchase. It's a fast and efficient way to complete your shopping. Using PayPal in stores offers several advantages, including enhanced security, as your card details are not directly shared with merchants. You can also easily track all your spending, both online and in physical stores, within the app. This provides a clear overview of your finances. For those who love to read, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. It's a great way to enjoy your favorite books on the go. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.